Corn silage, day one. Think we'll break down.
Why would you ask that?
Good morning, friends. Today on the farm, it is hot AF, and we just started corn silage. So Tom just texted me, said, hey, if you want a good workout, we're up on the corn silage pile, throwing tires off, and I guess that's where I'm headed now. Right behind me is our haylage pile. We just finished our fourth crop of haylage over the weekend. And like I said, today is day one of corn silage. So, giddy up. What's the plan?
Putting gravel bags on my pallet.
Okay. Not to sound like an idiot here, but why are we taking the gravel bags off the back side of this pile?
To open it up so we can feed off of it.
That makes sense. You want to know what's smelly? It's silage juice. It's the juice. So we work with a custom harvesting crew. They plant all of our corn and then help us harvest it. We're making corn silage. So basically what we do is chop the entire stalk of corn, chop it into a big pile, cover it with plastic and tires. You can see this is last year's corn silage. This is the fresh stuff. So we're taking all those tires off the other end. We'll start feeding off of this end while we make the new crop of corn silage. And this, we're gonna fill up this whole thing of cement. We're gonna make a heck of a lot of corn silage. We really like working with a custom harvesting crew because we, at the end of the day, we're cow people. We want to be with our cows. So working with a crew allows us to spend more time with the cows, give them the attention they need, but also we don't have to invest in any equipment, which is all real nice. My upper lip is just dripping in sweat, but the tires are off. So now we'll cut this chunk of plastic off. We'll start feeding off of here. And then the new corn silage is going on the other end of the pile. It's hot. Did I say it's hot? The silage scent really comes alive when you get in close quarters, doesn't it?
Sure does.
What would you compare that smell to? Like
Calf shit. Baby shit.
it's like, I would say it's like a dead cat rolling in like pond water or baby shit. Like it is ripe. I've really never smelled a dead cat rolling in baby shit, but it will burn the nostrils.
Terrible comparison.
What do you got? You just said baby shit. I've smelled a lot of baby shit, Tom. Silage juice.
Calf, maybe.
Also smell a lot. I don't know. It's right. Sure. I'll get the gate. Now we're just loading up some dry cows. They just got dried off. They're going on maternity leave. We are gonna go put them out on our pasture. They'll be there for a couple months until they have a baby.
Sawdust in here.
Tom's mad. Story of my life.
Damn oiled on my road.
So, corn silage, day 1.
Yep, that's right.
Thoughts, predictions. How long will it take? How are you feeling about it? Do you feel like the corn is wet, dry?
Super excited. Corn's dry. Too dry. Take 8 to 9 days. That's it.
That's it. Think we'll break down?
Why would you ask that?
I don't know. Well, I'm just trying to, place some bets, some thoughts, predictions.
Let you know if we break down.
You know. Too dang quiet here. Play the music like a normal human being.
I didn't turn the music down.
Who did?
You did.
Never do that. Just be alone with my thoughts.
You did do it.
I did not.
When you got that phone call, you turned the music down.
That was hours ago.
Busy
Minutes
driving,
ago.
Don't have time to turn it back up.
You still just sat in here for a couple loads with your thoughts, feelings.
No feelings.
No feelings.
Just
Silence. What were you thinking about? Was it me?
Yep.
Well, that's it. Thanks for farming with us. Hope you have a dairy good day. Tom, tell him to have a dairy good day.